He used to smell rotten. Now my bathroom is more fragrant than the door store. Surely you will be impressed by the cleanliness that this tip will bring to your bathroom. Very simple, and only with 2 ingredients. I managed to improve the smell and cleanliness of my bathroom. My entire toilet is now as clean as new after I started using this tip. But my preview video, I also show another tips to bathroom toilet too. Okay, so this tip is so simple that we will only use 2 items. Plus the secret of how to use will stay for the end. I simply discovered this tip by putting cloves in my soap. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips in this tip. I just put some cloves directly in the soap the way I'm doing in the video, if you prefer. And also for ease, you can even pierce the soap with a knife or scissors, and thus it will be easier to place the cloves. I'm sure you will be surprised by this tip. Tell me if you have any special tips to keep your bathroom and especially your toilet away from bacteria. Making this tip this way, the soap will prove useful for at least 2 weeks, keeping the pleasant smell that your bathroom needs after putting on all the blackheads, which we'll need. It's just a disposable mask, just with the use of scissors. I will cut one of the sides and simply put the soap inside. It is so simple. This tip that today you will preparing your home. Surely you will be surprised by the use of the disposable mask in this tip. They have other functions that can help you in several ways. I use even helping in my bathroom, and this tip is one of the main and that helped me most. Once this is done, we should just close the side and take the soap to the toilet. We should only put the mask in direct contact with the water. And whenever we use the bathroom, your toilet will be as clean as now. Cleaning your toilet will never be the same. Let me know what you think of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.